Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlynn.
And today we're here because we're going to be unboxing Ashlynn's Stitch Fix box for her spring and summer fix. So for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 when you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box for adults, and children get 10 items, and so those items are going to get shipped to you for free and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee will get applied to whatever you're keeping, and if you keep all the items in your box, you're going to get a 25% discount and you get to apply that $20 styling fee. For this fix, we basically asked for things to help Ashlynn transition into spring and summer, things like shorts, dresses, comfy shorts and tops and things like that. So we're going to get into her box to see what she got for this month. When you open the box, you're going to see that you have a prepaid mailer. Shipping is free both ways, so you can put anything back in this bag that you don't want, or if you need to make exchanges, you'll put it in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. You're going to see an envelope, and inside the envelope is the price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 12 for Ashlynn. Basically, we get her fixes every 2 to 3 months to help refresh her wardrobe. Also in the envelope is her style card with her pieces and a note from her stylist. And I'm going to read your note real quick. She's had Erica the whole time. It says, "Hi Ashlynn, I hope you're just as excited for today's fix as I am. To help you get ready for the spring and summer, I packed in some awesome shorts like this denim pair with the distressing you like. Mix it with the sequin tee to show off your love of music. Then for more of the tie-dye trend you adore, go head to toe in this twist front tank and comfy fleece shorts. I also saw that you've been liking Maxi dresses lately and thought this light green one would be a winner. Wear it with the sandals and enjoy. Erica. P.S. Keep asking Mom to share what you're loving so I can send you more fab pieces for the next time." All right. That sounds good. So let's pull out your first bundle. So there's a look at her bundle. Go ahead and open that up.
So the first thing that I got is some comfy shorts.
Okay, so this is, let me read the tag real quick. By Bixby Nomad, the Smocked waist knit short in black. Oh, those are cute.
It feels
very
really comfy.
soft. Yeah, those are adorable.
And very stretchy at the top.
We like that, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
All right, next.
Ooh, we got some tie-dye shorts.
Ooh, those are cute. Now those might be a little bit big. We're kind of trying to figure out what size Ashlynn is in. But these are by Threads for Thought, the Julie Fleece short in mint. And it's got some orange and some green and some blue. And it's got that drawstring at the top. That's cute.
Okay, next we have some jean shorts. And they have like distressing.
Yep. She likes the distressing on her shorts, don't she? And these feel very stretchy. These are by Revery Kids Violeta cuffed denim short in indigo, and those are really cute. They do have the rolled hem that you can take down if you want to. Those are cute. Those look very similar to a pair that you've almost outgrown. All right.
Here's another pair of jean shorts.
Oh yeah, I like the frayed hem here, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
And it's attached on the side, which is cute. This one has a cute little button fly. You don't have any shorts like that, do you? Mm-mm. All right, those are cute. Just a basic dark wash jean short. Cute. All right. Here's your next bundle. Ooh, that's pretty. Are you ready?
It's beautiful.
Okay.
So the first thing I saw in this bundle was this tie-dye, like.
That's really cute. It's really soft, and it's got like a little twist knot here in the front. And let's see, it says Bixby Nomad, the twist front tank in soft orange. That's really cute and stretchy and soft. We'll have to see how those go with those shorts.
Yeah.
I think that's what she said to
I
put it with.
I think they'll really look really good because like there's some like pinkish orange on there. Okay, next, ooh, we have this little top.
Yeah, a little floral top. It's got like a smocking at the bottom here, like very stretchy. Cute little top here. Let's see who it's by. It's by Bixby Nomad, the Smocked hem top in teal green. And you love teal green, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
That's cute. Like that. That might go with those little jean shorts really, really well.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next we have a t-shirt that has a smiley face and like smiley face with like heart eyes and some headphones.
We like shiny, don't we?
Yes.
Okay, let me read the
Hey,
tag.
I wonder if it flips.
It says RUMI and RYDER, the Tunic graphic tee in purple. And I think it flips up and down.
Yeah.
Does it do it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It.
So that's cute. Like that. Okay.
Next we have this little basic black and white
Tank top.
tank top. Yeah.
It says Runway, the active Racerback tank in black. That might go with those little black shorts, but it's got some of this white like edging, and there's a white stripe down the back. It's very soft and stretchy. I think you'll like that with that.
It looks like something I'll wear, definitely.
Yeah, that's cute.
I might wear it too much.
Okay, next.
Ooh.
Ooh, this is the dress she was talking about.
Oh
So this is
my
a,
gosh, that's beautiful.
looks like a mint green.
It looks similar to something that I had.
It's a really flowy maxi dress. You can kind of see through the bottom because it has like a lining here.
It's so beautiful.
Very pretty floral print. A stretchy waist. Let's see who this is by. It says Xtraordinary, the Persy Smocked maxi dress in mint, size 12. I'm hoping these sizes won't be too big, but that is really pretty floral print. And you like to dress up for church and stuff, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you got a pair of shoes in here.
Ooh.
So, shoe bag here. Let me read the tag real quick. It says, Mia Kids, the Addisonn sandal in gold and silver.
It's like Christmas.
Ooh, those are cute. Let's take out the stuffing.
Those are adorable.
These are a nice basic sandal that she could wear with just about anything. It's got like a white, silver, and then like a, I guess you would call that like a rose gold.
Rose gold.
Yeah. It's got a Velcro
Beautiful.
tab here. Hopefully those will fit you. I like those, don't you?
Beautiful.
All right, we're gonna do a try on and we'll be right back. All right, we're here with the first two items, and on top she has the Bixby Nomad, the Smocked hem top, and on the bottom she has the Hippie Girl Hildie knit denim cuff short. So what do you think, Ashlynn?
I think like the top is really comfortable and would probably be good for church and like hanging out at the house. And I love the jean shorts, and we figured out that like not like buttons.
Like where you have to slip it through the hole. It's actually just appears that way, but it's actually snap buttons, which is nice. And they have a lot of stretch to the shorts, and so they fit perfectly, which is exactly what she needed. So.
And also like right here is really stretchy.
Yeah, you got the smocking to make it kind of look that way, which is super cute. So overall, 2 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. All right, we'll be right back. All right, we're back with the next two items. The shorts are by Bixby Nomad, the Smocked waist knit short, and the top is by Runway, the active Racerback tank. All right, Ashlynn, what you think?
I think the shirt is really comfy, and I think it's great for like hanging out at the house, or like if you want to go comfy like to school or something like that. And I think these shorts really match really good.
The top is a little bit long. It does have some slips on the side. Turn to the side. And then turn around to the back. Has like a stripe down the back. So even if you wanted to wear this in like the fall with some leggings, I think that would be really cute. So the shorts have this cute little floral print. It's got like kind of, oh, it's got pockets.
Oh, it has pockets.
Yeah. You didn't see the pockets at first, did we?
No.
It's got like a white and kind of like a taupe or beige floral print right there. It's got some gray in there. So I think that's a really cute outfit. What do you think?
I give this 2 out of 2 thumbs up.
Okay, be right back with the next outfit. All right, we're back with the next two items, and on top she has the Bixby Nomad, the twist front tank, and on the bottom is the Threads for Thought Julie Fleece short. And so, Ashlynn, what do you think?
I think these two go really well together, even though these two like are different oranges. But I still think they go well together, and they're really comfy, like for like lounging around the house.
Yeah, and her stylist did suggest putting these two together. You can see this is a little bit different, but not enough. Back up a little bit, Ashlynn. Not enough that I think you couldn't wear them together. The shorts do have pockets, and they have a drawstring, and then the top has a twist front on the front right there. So cute, nice summer colors. What do you think?
I love it.
All
I give
right.
it a 2 out of 2.
Okay, all right, we'll be back with the next outfit. All right, we're back with the next outfit, and on the bottom she has the Revery Kids Violeta cuffed denim short with the distressing. Go ahead and show those shorts. Those are cute. And then she has on top the RUMI and RYDER, the Tunic graphic tee. So what do you think, Ashlynn?
I think this is a really like cute shirt, and it says "make some noise," and I think it's really like cute, and it's like really good for school. And these shorts are like really good, like to pair with the shirt. And the thing flipped from like it being like a smiley face and like the eyes closed to like one eye open and a mouth. Like
Cute.
the tongue.
So the shorts have a lot of stretch. They have that distressing, but the rolled hem is not stitched, so it could come unrolled. So go ahead and turn around real quick. Yeah, we like this outfit. Probably wear it to school this week, won't you?
Probably.
All right, we'll be back with the dress. All right, we have the last two items, and she has on the Xtraordinary Persy Smocked Maxi dress, and then she also has on the sandals, the Mia Kids Addisonn sandal in white, silver, and gold. All right, Ashlynn, what do you think?
I love this dress. I can't like stop like twirling around in it.
It's a really cute dress. It has like the lining down to like the knee, and then it's kind of sheer at the bottom on the bottom two layers there. Really cute. It's got plenty of stretch around the waist because it's got that smocked waist there. I think it fits you perfectly. What do you think?
I love it. Like.
And those are colors that you love too, aren't they? That's a really cute dress. I like that. All right, as far as the shoes, Ashlynn, step back and see if you can show them the shoes. Like lift up your foot. Those are really cute. They fit, but her feet are growing so fast that if we can maybe size up, we might try to do that. But they fit right now, so, and they are really cute. They're gonna go with shorts or dresses and be very comfy and pretty. And so I definitely think this is a definite winner. All right, we are gonna be back to do a recap. All right, guys, I'm here to do a recap and to talk about the prices. And so this was a fantastic fix. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a 10 out of 10 for this box. So the first item was the dress. It was by Xtraordinary, the Persy Smocked Maxi dress in mint, and it's the most expensive thing in the box, and it's $28, and Ashlynn loved that dress. Next is the t-shirt by RUMI and RYDER. It is in purple, and it is $18, and that was a cute little basic t-shirt. She likes those little graphic t-shirts. Then we had the Hippie Girl, the Hildie knit denim cuff short in indigo. These are $22, and we like how they were a snap button rather than the normal button fly. Cute. The Threads for Thought Julie Fleece short. Now these are a little expensive, but I think it's because of the brand. They're also $22, and they are comfy short. The Runway Active Racerback tank in black is $16, and it's really soft. We decided that she could tuck this into those black shorts since it's a little long, or she could wear it with leggings or capris in the fall. And it is $16. She really liked this little smocked top. This is by RUMI and RYDER, the smocked hem top in teal green, and it's $18. Then we have another pair of shorts. These are by Revery Kids, the Violeta cuff denim short in indigo, and they're $18, and they're super stretchy, and she likes the distressing on them. Cute. And then the Smocked waist knit short by Bixby Nomad in black, and these are $16. And they're really soft and comfortable. And then the tie-dye top by Bixby Nomad, the twist front tank in soft orange, is $16. She liked that with those tie-dye shorts. And then lastly, we have the sandals, and these are really cute sandals that are going to go with a lot, and they looked really cute with that dress. And the sandals are by Mia Kids, and they are the Addisonn sandal, and they are $24, which I think is a pretty good price for sandals that will go with just about everything. We are going to see if we can size up in those, but if not, she'll keep the size that we have. So the stylist pick subtotal was $198. If we buy all, then you get to take off $49.50, which leaves us with an order subtotal of $148.50. But we get to take off that $20 styling fee. So her price would be $128.50 for 10 items. And I think that's a really good price for everything that she got in her fix. So you guys tell me what you think. I think we're going to be keeping it all. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. That link is good for women and men. It currently, I think, is for $50. So if you click on that link, it will waive your styling fee and it will give you $50 to put towards anything that you keep in your first fix. So if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.